So just taking a quick look at Polygon here on our daily time frame, as we can see, looking like we are bouncing up from this 50% area of the range. You can see I've had this range drawn out for a good while here. The high, the low, the high, the low, the high, and the high retested, coming down and retesting that 50% level here and bouncing. Bitcoin looking like it's finally dragging the altcoin space to the upside. You can see Bitcoin here, ridiculously big green bullish candle yesterday. This is the biggest greenish bullish, most bullish candle I've seen in a while for Bitcoin. Really solid week for Bitcoin here, up almost 10k, or actually around 10k at the highs there. Currently sweeping out the liquidity above that previous level of resistance up here, as you can see. As soon as I saw this trendline resistance forming here and these fair value gaps being put in last week, I had a feeling that we were going to come back up and rip through them, especially when I got confirmation via this really bullish Sunday that we had for Bitcoin ripping through the resistance. I knew that we were going to rip through all of these levels. You can see we slowly made our way through them over the course of the week. Over the past 5 days, we have had basically up only situation, which has been very bullish indeed. And as a result, Polygon here finally starting to wake up and realize that we are heading back up. You can see Bitcoin basically reversing all the drop from last week and heading up. Polygon now almost reversing its drop and reversing all the drop that we saw last week, and hopefully going to be heading back up towards the top of this resistance again. Polygon right now not doing too much. We're just waiting to see if Bitcoin is going to allow the altcoin market to continue up. Polygon here looking pretty good for a bounce in my opinion, but as always it's all just dependent on Bitcoin. If Bitcoin continues going up, we'll probably see altcoins continuing to get some relief. If Bitcoin stalls out, we could get a bit of mixed conditions, and obviously if Bitcoin pulls back and has a big correction, we'll see a stalling out of the bounce for altcoins. Let's see what happens next with Bitcoin going into the next few days. As always guys, thank you very much for watching. Please do like and subscribe, leave a comment down below, let me know your thoughts. Check back every day for daily updates and get some free money in the description below. Cheers.